Today I will teach you how to change your YouTube channel name, your logo, watermark, and your YouTube banner. Now from your channel, you go to your profile and then your channel. You have managed videos. You have customized channel. Click customize channel. Now you have layouts, branding, and basic information. So in branding, you will see you can change your logo here, you can change your banner image and your watermark. So you can make changes here, and then if you want to change your name, you will go to basic info, and then from there you will click the pen icon, and then you can change your name. But for me, I already changed my name and this is my channel name, so I don't have to do anything with this. You can also change your description, or you can add something here, it's up to you. And then when you are already happy with everything, you can look at the right side, top right side, you will see publish. So just click publish. Now guys, if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe.